Welcome back to Morning Express. It is time for our newsroom conversation to continue. But just before we do that, let's head over to the streets of the capital, Nairobi, where our reporter Shadrack Miti is taking a look at what Kenyans think about what's making headlines on the dailies this morning, even as we continue with our newsroom discussion. Shadrack, good to see you on the streets of Nairobi. Very cold morning in the capital. What are Kenyans saying today?
Well, Michelle, we came here about 1 hour ago just to find out exactly what Kenyans feel on what has been going on in the country, particularly in the past 2 days, and the climax of it having been yesterday when the NASA Brigade boycotted the 12th Parliament opening by President Uhuru Kenyatta. And also, apart from that, we are also here to find what Kenyans feel about the entire thing. Apart from NASA failing to appear in Parliament, the judiciary also did not show up. And so we are here just to get a feel of what Kenyans feel about the same, to know whether what NASA did and what the judiciary did, led by Chief Justice David Maraga, by failing to appear in Parliament when President Uhuru Kenyatta was opening the 12th Parliament, was okay in their right, or if there are any other sentiments. So karibu sana ndugu yangu, and tell us, what do you make of yesterday's events where NASA coalition failed to show up in Parliament even during the official opening of the 12th Parliament?
Okay, my name is Stanley. Now, by yesterday's event, as we know what happened on the 8th of August, Kenyans went to the polls, and what happened, the Supreme Court nullified the elections. So most Kenyans still now believe that up to now we don't have a properly elected president. And now the NASA Brigade, as we know, Raila Odinga has so many followers. The 6 million votes or plus he got is not a joke to say that now we have to go to the Parliament and make the issues continue as usual. So as we feel, until we have a proper elected president, we are not going to accept anything short of having what people can agree. And now, as we see here, the Bunga la Mwananchi, most of these people, they are worried what is going to happen if the president can continue bragging the way he's doing. Because, you know, as we stand here, the nation is divided. The people feel that we should come together as a nation. We arrange and have proper election. And whoever will be elected in a legitimate manner, then the country will accept. But for now, we still feel we have to follow what the Supreme Court said. We go back to the election. We have a president that all the people of Kenya will accept.
Asante sana ndugu yangu, unahisi ni NASA walikosea kutoenda bungeni ama unahisi wangeenda?
Majina yangu ni Rafael Khaminwa. Kile NASA walifanya jambo mzuri sana, kwa maana walitaka amani katika nchi yetu ya Kenya. Na ninapoongea nitarudi mahali ambapo Uhuru Kenyatta jana jinsi alivyoongea, wakaitana ya kwamba IPC wakutana wote wawili, Jubilee na NASA pale anniversary. Lakini tuliona watu wa NASA kama Raila Amolo Odinga na kundi lake walijaribu kufika hapo, wakakaa hapo lisari moja. Lakini Jubilee ambao tuliona kitu ambao sasa ndio wanaposema ya kwamba hao ndio uongozi, walisarau wananchi wa Kenya, wakasarau paka anniversary towers ambao ni watu wanaotuongoza. Kwa maana walifika hapo ambapo tuliona William Ruto ndiye aliyofika hapo, ambapo William Ruto akombei katika urais wetu wa Kenya, nchi yetu. Ni mazarau ambao rais na wa Jubilee pamoja na makamu wake waliotufanya, wanatuonyesha ya kwamba hawa hawako pamoja na Wakenya. Kwa maana tulikuwa tunangojea wakutane wote pamoja, Chiropa na Chupukati, watupatie mwelekeo wa tarehe 17 tujue ni jambo gani ambao waliamua. Lakini Jubilee kitu waliotuonyesha, wameonyesha ya kwamba hawataki kuunganisha Wakenya pamoja, kwa maana Raila Amolo Odinga pamoja na deputy wake walifika hapo kwa saa. Lakini rais wetu ambao tunamuita rais alikimbilia katika punge, na lile punge hatuchojua ile punge linaongozwa na nani. Ile punge tunajua ya kwamba punge limesimamishwa mpaka wakati tutakapopata rais wetu ambaye atatuongoza katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Asante sana. Now, Michelle, those are just a collection of a few sentiments, just trying to find out how Kenyans or what Kenyans make of the headlines so far. Remember, the headlines all over the country are awash with what happened yesterday. NASA Brigade not going to Parliament, and again, for the first time, we saw the judiciary not owning up to the invitation they had been given to attend the first session of the 12th Parliament, where President Uhuru Kenyatta was making his official statement, even as we look forward to the reopening of the same Parliament. So we are here trying to continue getting just exactly what Kenyans feel, and so for this moment, we get back to you.
All right, many thanks. It is our reporter Shadrach Miti on the streets of Nairobi. A lot of different reactions coming in from Kenyans regarding what's happening in the country's political scene.